Hi, today my husband will cook mashed potatoes for our children. Let's see what result he gets in the end. He bought potatoes, milk, cucumbers, and sausages at the store. He washed the potatoes and peeled them. Next, he poured water into a saucepan and put it on fire on a gas stove. He cut the potatoes into slices. Then he put them in a pot of water that was on the fire. In the next step, he peeled the cucumbers. If you like slightly salted cucumbers, then cut them in half, sprinkle salt on one and half, and then rub the halves against each other. He also peeled the sausages. Next, he put the sausages in a saucepan, filled it with water to put it on the fire on the gas stove. He poured a glass of milk, then boiled it. At this time, we see that the potatoes are boiled. Pour the boiled milk into a saucepan with potatoes. And we begin to mix the potatoes with milk with a beater. And now our mashed potatoes are ready. Do not forget to add salt to taste. Add the sausages to the mashed potatoes and a cucumber. Enjoy your meal.